What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. One quick trade, shorting the SPY, making over 100% return on some puts. Check it out. What's going on, guys? So we had a real nasty pullback today in the SPY, and I have a live options trade on that where I netted over 100% return on my last piece of those contracts. And I also am going to go over exactly what happened, okay? So do me one quick favor as I grab this chart over here and smash that like button there for me, and make sure you've subscribed to the channel if you haven't, and if you have, thank you very much. So this is what we had going on today. You know what? As a matter of fact, let's use this live chart. Right, I'm recording this right now as it's going on. At 2 o'clock, the Fed meeting, came out. They said they're going to cut rates by a quarter. We knew this was going to happen. This was already pre-priced. Everything was there. Everybody knew that we were going to cut a quarter on interest rates. Potentially, if they cut more or they cut less or they didn't cut anything at all, then we would have had some big action. So that's why you don't see much going on after that announcement. But at 2:30, okay, the chairman Powell was interviewed, and I listened to the interview, and he didn't say anything that was like out of this world. It was going to cause some sort of panic. This is what happens when you have a lot of algorithms buying and selling stocks, being triggered by certain words, and you have a dump. I've learned this, over the last year, and you get this type of dump, or you'll get a big extension to the upside, whatever the case is. In this case, we had this nasty dump, and this is nasty. This went from 356 all the way down to 395.20. I'm sorry, 295.20. And now we're having a bounce and a nice little recovery here. These are the options I traded. I traded 5 contracts. They were expiration today, the 31st, 300 strike puts, and I bought 5 of those. And I bought 5 of those at 37 cents. Here are my orders. 37 cents. I exited 3 contracts at 65 cents, which was already a very nice return right there. Then I exited one more at 92 cents, and I exited my last contract at $1.05, giving me over 100% return on that final piece right there. That was an awesome trade, guys. That was a ton of fun. So I was in those around here in this area, and I started taking profit as we dumped out. Okay, so let me get you that live trade real quick. Show recordings. Live trade should be this. Yes, perfect. Okay. Where do we move this to? Right there should be good. You can see. There you go. You can see everything. You could see here. Let me pause this. Damn it. Sorry, guys. So you could see here, this is my options chains box here in E-Trade. I have, about 5 contracts. Here you could see July 31st, expiration, 300 strike, 5 contracts I bought. My cost basis was 38 cents, factoring in the commissions. And as you can see, I'm in here in that, choppy area where I showed you guys a few minutes ago. And this trade took a little bit under 10 minutes, but I kept recording because it just kept dumping. And those options that I sold last take profit at $1.05, that was over 100% gain, went up as high as $5. If I would have held on, that would have been over a 900% gain. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I'll take it. I'm stoked with my trade today. So we're in this. Let's see if we can just fast forward to the dump starts. Okay, so here's where the dump starts. Can you see the candle? Yep, you can see the dump candle here. You can see here the action on the contracts. So as soon as we break under 300, my puts are in the money there, and I'm gonna start getting ready to take profit. As you can see here, I have 3 contracts. Wish I had 33. 3 contracts that I'm about to sell out. Those are already at 60, something cents there. So that's already a 50% gain. So I take profit there on 3 contracts. I hold 2 more contracts. And we continue to dump. I start to prepare to sell 1 more contract. Every time we extend, I try to take, some profit. So there we go. I close out 1 more contract. That's the one that closed out at 92 cents, if I'm not mistaken. Whoops, sorry, I'll get that screen for you. Yes, that's the one that closed out at 92 cents. Okay, so there we are. You can see these contracts are now, bid is at 94 cents. The ask is at 98 cents. And I have 1 contract left. So I'm going to let this one pay me. Let's fast forward this one just a tad. Here we look like we're finding a bottom here. It looks like we're finding a bottom, right? In this 299.20 area. But then we break under it, and quickly we're up over $1. Well, the contracts are over $1 on the bid and 105, 110 on the ask. They go all the way to $1.20 at one point. Should be right around here somewhere. Well, that was $1.18 there. Okay. And then we start to like bounce back a little bit. And I take it there at $1.05. So I take it there. My last take profit at $1.05 from a 36 cent entry. Okay. So that's well over 100% return. And I was stoked on that. I thought it was great. I thought it was perfect. It was like a 3-4 minute trade. But then look at what this, SPY does. Look at there. It looks like we're going to recover. You see that? And I'm like, okay, cool. I took profit at the perfect time. You see that candle? It gets bought up all the way back up to $299.50. And then look. Look at that. Now those contracts that are $1.62, $1.58. Now those contracts are at $2 basically. $1.97. And then I stopped recording. They went all the way to $5. That would have been epic. I'm so stoked on this trade. Options have been, puts specifically have been paying me very nicely this week between BYND, SPY. I traded some calls last week on BYND as well, giving me a 50% on those. 100% today. Can't complain. Let me know if you took advantage of these SPY puts today on this SPY dump. What did you trade? Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know how your trading week is going. I hope you're enjoying the video and the content. Looking to learn more about options here in the coming weeks and into the rest of the year. So I hope to have some more option trades for you this year. Let me know if you want to see more of those, or if you have any specific questions about them, or if you want to find out where I learned about them. You can also ask me in the comment section. I hope you're having a great day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.